I am Rich Mom. Welcome to discover our very powerful technological tool, a scanner called Titan AI. For this, you need to have access and be an active member of our digital academy called CONECTIV. I'm a part of it, of course, and I'm a trader educator in CONECTIV. I'll be very happy to train you, to teach you. To sign up, use my link, richmom.connectiveglobal.com, which is here. But if you are invited by somebody else in our team, please use the link of this person. Then you're gonna select the Pro or the Plus membership because the Basic and Core don't have access to the scanner. We have 3 scanners. So for the 3, you need to have the Pro. If you want at least 1 scanner, such as Titan AI, you need to have at least the Plus membership. The price is $1,500 one time for 1 year for the Pro, and for the Plus is $600. For the Core it's $300. The Basic is $200. But then you can upgrade step by step. You don't have the money yet. You can put the difference when you can to upgrade to the Plus and then to the Pro. So if you have the money, please sign up with the Pro. It's the best of the best. You have access to everything of CONECTIV. Everybody wants this one, and they usually buy the Pro. You will make a lot of money with us, so the investment is really worth. And invest on your knowledge and skills before making a lot of money, of course. So to sign up, you just click here and you sign up, and this is it. When you log in to your back office, when you have signed up, you're going to select Trading Tools, Scanners, and Titan AI, of course. Then you're going to connect your scanner to your Trading View. So, of course, you need to sign up in Trading View, of course. And then you're going to put your username that you have in Trading View, and you will connect, and it will be in your Trading View directly. Yeah, it's quite magical. Then you have to watch the 3 video tutorials to explain you how it works. You have to watch them and take notes. So when your Titan AI is connected and synchronized from your account CONECTIV, where you have signed up as a member, to your TradingView account, then you will see appearing here Titan AI in your indicators. You must change your Japanese candles, which are normally here like that. You must change them for this Heiki Ashi. It was better. The scanner looks like that. The red line is the stop loss, the blue line is the entry point, and the TP 1, 2, 3 are the green lines. Even a child is able to see and recognize that. It is as simple as that. They don't show you what is behind, just the essential that you need to trade, even if you don't know anything to trading. When you are here for a very big and long-term trade, sell here, and you see TP 1, 2, 3 were 1, and it even went lower. It was targeting $600, and it went even much deeper to $6,500. Imagine, and so that has worked. It's so many pips, you have no idea. It's like you see here, 36,000 pips, and in points it's 660,000 points. It's really crazy, and you have to stay in sell if you take that trade very long term, as much as you stay under that trade line. Yes, here you see we break it. There's a breakout, then we have to leave the sell. It's over. So I will teach you my own strategy as Rich Mom, because I'm a trader educator in CONECTIV since the beginning of May 2026, and I will add you some confirmation with Titan AI so that it's all is even more confirmed and more solid in your way to trade. This is daily, but I think you don't trade daily, like every day, For the 4 hours, the buy was given here 7 April. And look, you see the entry point, to be more sure, was at the blue line. And I will always advise you to put the trade line. Yes. So until you stay above the trade line, you can stay in buy. And we have hit TP1 and almost TP2. TP2 is not an exact price, it's a zone. So it has almost hit the zone of TP2. So the buy will probably go on until TP2 and TP3, but you have to be a little bit patient. So that buy was really amazing. How many pips? Until now, almost 12,000 pips, imagine. So the 4 hours was working very good. For the 1 hour time frame, on Bitcoin, we see a buy on Saturday, 25 April. So there was a buy almost going to TP1, then it hit the stop loss. But then if we take another buy a little bit later, after it breaks above the entry point, then it hit the TP1 and almost the TP2. So that was working. For 5 minutes, little time frame, there's a little buy given here with this arrow. Now it's ranging around the stop loss, and we will see if it's taking off. We have to see if there's a breakout above the entry point, and then maybe there will be a buy to take a bit later. And 1 minute, does it work? Knowing that the market don't move, for now it's Sunday. But in little time frame, there's a little sell given. So you see there's a little range, it's not very interesting. We will see if it breaks under this, and then maybe a little sell for a very short pullback. But I will not recommend this trade because we are against the main trend, which is going up. If you watch in 1 hour, we can see that Bitcoin is going up since, a little while. So you should always trade in the trend, so don't take the sell. For the Bitcoin, I recommend to be on KuCoin, on TradingView, as CONECTIV tutorial tell you in the videos. For the gold, you have to stay in gold with Wanda. And last Friday, let's watch what we had in 1 hour. We had a beautiful sell given here on Monday, 20 April. And the sell was huge, like huge. So many pips. Look at that, from here to even here. It is really crazy. 1,000, almost 700 pips. And that was given by Titan AI. And with the stop loss, the entry point to confirm, and then TP1, 2, and 3 were hit, and 1 and even went even deeper. To know when to exit, I would recommend to put your trade line like this. You see, it was done with my red line here, you see. So until you stay under, you can stay in sell, but then it breaks above here, so you have to exit. This is it. I will teach you more indication and confirmation when you will be an active member. You will come on my live session, and I will teach you my strategy called Gold Sniper Pro, which works on any pairs such as Bitcoin or gold or Nasdaq. Here in little time frame, you can see here that on Friday there was a little buy given here in 15 minutes time frame, and the TP1 was won and it hit. Then there is a pullback here. But we will see when the market will open again tonight if it comes back up or if it comes back down. We will see tonight. For the 5 minutes time frame, it says that it could sell, and I think also it will retest probably this zone before maybe going up later. But there was a sell given here, and we will see. We are around the entry point, and let's see when the market will open if we hit the next 3 TPs. This is exciting. So now let's watch Dow Jones, US 30. You have to be also on Wanda. And let's watch, for example, 15 minutes. And as you can see, there was a buy given here and here again, and we are already above TP1. So that has worked. And in a higher time frame, let's see, for 1 hour, a sell was given. And it has worked. TP1 was hit, then very big pullback. That's why I say the stop loss should be a little bit, a little bit further. Then it went to TP2. That's it, baby. And for H4, 4 hours, there's a big buy seen in big time frame. There's a buy, and I agree. We see since days and days that we are going up. So somebody who cannot trade very often, you can just take sometimes, very rarely, a trade. And here, look at this. 8th of April, a buy was given here. And we are still above the trade line, and TP1 is hit. And it's a lot of pips for this time frame, like a lot. Imagine, more than 3,000 pips. And it should go on to buy. Okay, we will watch the next days and weeks. For Nasdaq, one of my favorite pairs also. This one is extremely bullish since days and weeks. And you can see with my trade line here, look at this. And I have given this buy to my students. The buy is like perfect. And the scanner in 4 hours gave a buy here. My God, look at that. 7th of April, big buy given here. 7th April, look at this buy. And we are already above the TP2. And look at this. Oh my God. 3,300 pips. And the pullback, not yet. There's not pullback. It's very clean. So it's really impressive. Oil. Let's watch oil. We are on 4 hours for now here. There was a sell given here. TP1, 2 were hit. Now there's a pull, almost TP3. And don't forget the line are more like zone. So you should consider TP3 is almost hit. And here there's a big pullback. So you have to approach absolutely your stop loss from your profits. When you hit the TP1, you have to approach your stop loss to the entry point. When you hit TP2, you have to approach your stop loss to TP1. You understand? Or even closer. For high time frame, at least at the halfway of TP1 and 2. Because if there's a reversal, I want you to take some profit, of course. This is a purpose of trading, to take your profits. So approach always your stop loss from your profits. Always. It's a rule. So maybe all will come back down. We will see. In 1 hour, no, there's a buy given. So there is a buy given since 22 April, and TP1 and 2 were 1. There's a pullback now, and let's see if it comes back up. I think it will come back up, but nothing sure, of course. And it also works with Forex, USDJPY on Wanda. For the 1 hour, we see a buy. Buy is given here. We are above the uptrend going up. Buy here. TP1 was 1. There's a little pullback, and we will see if it comes back up and when it will come back up. GBPJPY works. So for the Forex, I only recommend for now USDJPY, the American dollar against the Japanese yen, and the pound, English pound, GBPJPY work also with Titan AA. We don't recommend the other pairs, only USDJPY and GBPJPY, which is already great. You should not trade too many pairs. So GBPJPY, very impressive. Look at that. For the 4 hours, look at this one. A buy was given here, 8th of April. And look at this, all this trend line. And TP1, 2, 3 were 1 like Nasdaq, so clean. And when you break the trade line, then you have to exit the trade. But this is so many pips. Like, look at that. 400 pips in Forex is really wonderful. And the German index is also working, but I don't trade it. But for those who want to trade it, it's working too. And this one has to be on Pepperstone brokerage in TradingView to visualize. Yeah, so there was a buy given here. Put your trade line, and if you stay above, you can stay in buy. This is a 4 hours. What was given in 15 minutes? Okay, maybe a little sell to come. We will see on the opening of the market. It's still not confirmed. I would say not for now. The sell is not very clear. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And welcome to the team, welcome to CONECTIV, and to be part of our wonderful community. And welcome to our Club Gold Mining Circle. So I'll let you sign up with us in CONECTIV. Contact me by private message if you have some questions, and enter all our groups. I will mentor you, give you some live trading every week, and also join our signals group with my strategy combined to Titan AI. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful life, wonderful success and prosperity.